Good morning, fourth grade. And so this is going to be the prompt part of the writing part of your test tomorrow. And so I just want to go over a prompt and remind you of what we need to do to make sure we're writing on topic and what I need to include in my paper tomorrow. So this is not your prompt. This is only going to be a sample of the prompt. But you are going to be writing a personal narrative. Remember, when we write a personal narrative, we're writing about our story, something in my time, in my life. I remember the time when. And this one, for example, says, think about a time you had that was special to you. Write about this special time or adventure. So if we were going to write a story on this, I would first think about what was my special time, where I was at, who was with me, what did it look like, what did it smell like, and I would jot all of these ideas down on the blank paper, all the things I could think about. And then I would do like a five-finger story. First this happened, and then this happened, and this happened, and this happened. And then I would write my story. And the most important thing is to make sure that you're writing to topic. You want to look back at the prompt and go, did I tell a story about a special time or an adventure in my life? And you want to make sure you use those words in your story. I remember a special time when I did this. Or I remember adventure when my friend and I did this. And so the main thing I want you to practice. So today you may just want to take this prompt and go, can I write to this prompt? Can I come up with ideas to this topic? And how could I include these words in my topic? So the main thing is thinking about how do I stay on topic and what would my story be about if this was the prompt. Again, this is not the prompt we have tomorrow. And I have a couple more things. Make sure you make it dramatic. Make sure it has lots of action. I want to feel like I was there in that story with you. And then make sure you include dialogue. What were you saying? What were your friends saying? What was your grandma saying? What were you saying back to each other? What were you thinking? Make sure you're using dialogue and you're talking in your story. And if you do all of those things, I know that you're going to do super great on your writing tomorrow.